Just clearing out my nose here. I have my sinus relief strips. I'm just watching my Dollar Tree haul from 2019. Oh, allergies attacking me. Attack of the allergies. So funny, huh? Oh, it feels good though. Breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. I say it's time for some amazing iced latte. Breathe. I am preparing a video for my other channels. I'm a woman of many channels. I'm just messing with you, but yeah. Did you hear? I said washing machine video. We have washing machine videos. We have baths. We have hot, luxurious showers. We have nose blowing. We have the marijuana. I gotta put on the light. I can't see in this darkness. I can't see. I can't see in here. Oh. I need my Aleve. Oh my god, I need my Aleve. I need my, let's see. I need stuff, hold on. Oh, God. I need my marijuana. I need my marijuana. Oh, my God. Freaking out. I need my water bottle. Okay. Oh, God, my water bottle. I need my water bottle. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. I'm so dehydrated. Here. Oh, my eyes itch. Oh, these allergies. Oh, yeah. Aleve. Oh, yeah. I gotta have the Aleve. So hot in here. I have the heater on super hot. Oh my god, I'm like a fish. I'm a fish. I'm a mermaid. I'm talking about pickle juice in this ancient video. Look what I got, though. Oh. Mount Olive, the king. I have to go up here. We can do our exercises. City exercises. I have my video scheduled for the next 60 days. I was so bored yesterday, like had nothing to do. Like, oh my god. Like, I get bored all the time. No, I don't. I'm autistic. I don't get bored. But I'll just pretend. I'll just pretend I'm bored. I'm so bored. And so I had to upload 60 videos and schedule them out for the next 60 days or something. Probably. I'm scheduling the videos. You know what we need? Some more eccentrically weird things. I'm already weird enough. You know what we need? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We need some gloves. We need some gloves. Oh my god, as if this video isn't weirder. The weirdest. Oh my god, this is the weirdest video on the internet. Of course, every time I say that, everything falls. Oh my god. I'm dreaming. Okay. Of a marijuana Christmas. One every day is bright and beautiful. With my hand sanitizer. Oh, you might want to scrub your eyes out after watching. Here, right in the snow. I'm dreaming of a marijuana and glove Christmas. With my mask all say. This marijuana is the best. Mama don't want no cheap stuff. Mama don't want no cheap stuff. Oh, lordy, lordy. Mm-hmm. calling my name. Hush, somebody's calling my name. Hush, hush, somebody's calling my name. Oh my Lord, what shall I do? Oh my Lord, what shall I do? Oh my Lord, what shall I do? Shadow Stevie Rocker, you're awesome. Bye bye.